We are now ready to deploy our code to Google Cloud, to the Cloud function. There are just one small thing that we need to do first. In the same directory as our main.py, we create a file called requirements.txt, and for those of you who did some Python programming, you know this is a list of modules which need to be installed for our application to run successfully. In our case, we only have one module request, which is not part of a standard Python package, so that's basically it. And there are two ways to deploy Cloud Functions. We're actually going to do both. So first, I'm going to deploy this function from my IDE, from Visual Studio Code. So I go to Cloud Code extension. It has Cloud Functions tab. And at the bottom here, I should choose a project which we are going to use for our deployment. Because now the default project is Add-on Mart, and we actually need a different one. We need a project called Demo. On the left side, we can see the function which we created manually. Right, so we can try actually when deploying a function, we can override and deploy it instead of this Vonage.sms. So when we do deployment, we're choosing which project. Yes. Okay, so the function was successfully deployed. Excellent. If I now click on it, we can see some properties, and mostly I'm interested in just to copy paste the URL which was assigned here. So this is the URL which was assigned to our function, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the previous curl command which we used, and now I'm going to put here the actual address. Okay, and it's success. So now we have invoked our cloud function in the cloud, and it works just fine.